Transform your room into a multifunctional space with our custom Murphy wall bed, combining a cozy bed, a study table, bookshelves, and cupboards all in one smart design. Need a space to work or study? The built-in folding study table is perfect for your daily tasks and can be effortlessly folded away when not in use. Showcase your favorite books and decor on these stylish built-in bookshelves, complete with LED lighting to add a warm and inviting touch to your space. Keep everything organized with spacious cupboards designed to store all your essentials while maintaining a sleek and clutter-free room. And when it's time to rest, the hidden Murphy wall bed folds down with ease, providing a cozy and stylish bed for a good night's sleep. Custom made to fit your lifestyle. DM us today and let's design your perfect Murphy wall bed with study table, bookshelves, and cupboards.